Newly appointed assistant teacher Wilard Marak at Balijan LP School, Lokhan Hanse village, falling under Nilip constituency, had enhanced the children and garnered praises from the parents and guardians of the children. To provide basic knowledge and education to the villagers of Lokhan Hanse village, English medium lower primary school was established at the village by the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. But due to the pandemic and less number of students enrolled in the school was shut down for nearly 3 years. Hence, to revive and uplift all the government LP, ME and HS schools, the concerned authority of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council had reshuffled all the teachers across the district. Likewise, during this mega reshuffling, Wilard Marak was appointed to Balijan English LP School as an assistant teacher. Wilard Marak joined the school on 12 May. Due to the hard work and dedication towards his profession, he had garnered praises from the parents and guardians of the children within a short period of time. Parents of the children, while speaking to us, informed that after Marak joined the school as an assistant teacher, the number of students enrolled had increased and the students are found to be slightly improved. Now, they no longer have to worry about sending their children to faraway places for basic learning. Wilard Marak, while speaking to us, informed that he had joined recently at the month of May. He is the only sole teacher currently appointed at the school, and the total number of students enrolled is 27, ranging from class 1 to 4. He also informed that the work for providing midday meals to the student is underway and it would be available soon.
গম পাইছে যে স্কুলটো 3 বছৰমান বন্ধ আছিল লকডাউন আৰু এনেকা কিবা কাৰণে এতিয়া মানে মই বৰ্তমান একজন সিঙ্গল টিচাৰ আছে আৰু ষ্টুডেন্টটো মোৰ ইন টোটাল এনৰলমেন্ট হৈছে 27 আৰু এতিয়া মোৰ কাৰণে ডেস্ক বেঞ্চটো অলপ শৰ্ট হৈ আছে আৰু মিডডে মিল আৰু কিবা এটো বেংকৰ কামটো অলপ বাকি আছে.
He appeals the concerned authority of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Richard Dogby, EM in charge of education, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, and Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM of KAAC, to appoint more teachers to the school. Samson Ingtes report from Koilamati for Karbi Anglong Live.